gonna make a beautiful, natural, sustainable mud house over here. Cob house, mud house with nice stone foundations, iron pillars. That will be the main structure of the house, and then we'll have nice cob mixture mud house. We're going to be using this soil. We'll have a nice swimming pool over here with the infinity view. So we have 3 acres in total. Starting from there, that's the border, all the way to that big tree. So we have about 600 feet of dam frontage. The water is a little bit on the lower side because of summers. And this is Upper Vaitarna Dam, which supplies water to Bombay, Mumbai. We've got more land over there, and there's a road with a nice slope going down all the way to the dam, which connects our land, and that road comes into in our land. That road comes in our land. So this is also in our land. We have a nice small temple on the top, which I'll be revealing later. It's, I don't know, thousands of years old. There was a village. The main village was situated on top of the hill. It had a couple of houses, 3-4 houses back in the days, hundreds of years ago. Then they shifted that side. That's the farmer's house. He newly constructed his house recently. This is a very nice slope going down. We have about a difference of 70-80 feet of elevation between this plot and this plot. So that's the border of the plot. Land goes this way. So I'll make a video of the whole plot. I'll do a nice tour of the whole plot, explain what all areas we have. We have very nice dam frontage, which we can use later on. I've made this small temporary house to stay in. It took me about 2 days to make it. I used the bamboos which were there on this plot for farming. I used those bamboos. I got the top. I got a very big top on the top, 40 by 40 feet, which I will use later on for the swimming pool. So this is where we are going to be making the first section of the mud house. We'll have an open kitchen and living room in the middle, like Pali style. And then we'll have another mud house over there. So this plot is about 14,000 square feet. And we've got nice mountains in the front. We've got dam on that side as well. So the land goes this way. That's the border of the land. I'll show you around. I'll make a lot of videos, and I'll also upload videos on how to make such temporary sheds. And with expenses, the only expense I incurred was the top, which I'm going to reuse again, and the jute sutli threads, which I used to tie it up. So I spent $150 for this. Bamboos are free, which we can reuse again. Stones are free. Soil is free. I got this top as well, which I'll use as a door. We've got mosquito nets. So yeah, that's stitched. Still a lot of work to do. Level out the base, stitch the mosquito net, fasten it so there are no gaps for insects to come. And we have this view from our door.